This is just a quick overview of the major options you can choose from with your recipe boxes. So traditionally, this was the most common, was like a paper style box with some color to it. Then you've got the disadvantage with this is maybe it doesn't absorb moisture quite so well. Not designed to like last for 20 years. But it'll last you quite a while, and it's quite pretty. This is the leatherette recipe box, and we sell quite a few of these. They're not bad. I like them. I'm more inclined towards, well, to be honest, our best seller, which is this bamboo one. This is my personal favorite. We do a ton of different laser engraving options on the lid, so you can put your name and all sorts of different variations of graphics on the lid. We also offer a variety of other woods. So this is oak, this is cherry, this is poplar, and this is walnut. And we're looking at adding some new types of woods in the future, because to be honest, wood recipe boxes really are the most popular. They just are very durable. They look great. They look great in modern kitchens with lots of wood. And well, it's just where we see the future of our business, is with wood recipe boxes. Now, if you're buying a recipe box, or maybe you already have one that you love, you probably need a set of dividers with it. Some of our boxes come with dividers already. Check that. But if you want something a little bit more pretty or elaborate, we give you lots of options, and they're not that expensive really. So typically they have, here's another one. They have like between 9 and 18 different indexes, so different tabs across the top. These ones have really taken off for us. These are bamboo, so they're hard and durable. It's something we came up with not that long ago, and they've really taken off because people like a divider that's going to last a while. Most of our products, our recipe boxes and a lot of our recipe cards, comes with a conversion chart. Very handy. And on the back a little blurb about the Cookbook people. And you may also be interested in some recipe card sleeves. These are just ways to protect recipes. I find these, and they come in 4x6 and 3x5. Now, if you have some old handwritten recipes, particularly I've got some back at home that are like typed or handwritten by old relatives who've since passed away, you absolutely need to get some of these to protect those things, because you still want to be able to use those recipes. You don't want a recipe to die and just languish somewhere in a box, but you want to protect it too from spills and from tears and everything else. So these are very inexpensive, and they're a fabulous investment on some family memories. Hope this answers some of your questions, and as you look through our site, you'll see lots more videos specifically about individual products, so feel free to click on those.